Tomorrow, we are keeping our eyes on Fort Worth's popular West 7th area. Maybe you saw these videos from over the weekend that were going viral. People wading through the entertainment district in waist-high water, climbing out of stalled cars, and it is not the first time that this area has seen this kind of flash flooding. We've got our Bo Evans live for us now in the area with more on what's happening there. Bo?
Yeah, Ken, I'm at the intersection of Norwood Street and Morton Street in Fort Worth, just a couple blocks south of West 7th Street. And this is where we saw some of that worst of that flooding. Water in some of the videos I looked at today would have been above my waist, and that was enough to carry some cars down the street.
There was cars floating, there's people walking knee deep in the water. It was really crazy.
This was the scene Saturday night on West 7th Street in Fort Worth. People walking through waist-deep water, cars floating down the street, one woman climbing on top of her car to stay safe.
There was tornado sirens going off, so we sprinted back home. We went and took cover for a little bit inside, and then there were some messages in the apartment group chat that the street was flooding, so we were actually standing at our parking garage over here watching it happen, literally floating. There were sirens going off. Yeah, it was crazy.
But this isn't the first time this has happened. Far from it. This is just one clip from August 2022 in our newsroom archives. We asked city officials why this is still an issue.
This area has decades of flooding issues. The primary reason is the storm drain system is undersized.
If you're thinking that's a simple problem, you're wrong. It's complex and expensive.
We did high-level planning in 2023. We estimated at that time there would be about $110 million to mitigate most of this flooding, which is more than we have.
Right now, the budget for the entire stormwater management program is $70 million. And that isn't the only project they're working on. The plan right now is to complete stage 1 of the project by 2029 and have the entire thing finished 2 to 3 years after.
Every time it rains like this, we just cross our fingers that these flooding situations don't happen. And unfortunately, when they do, our heart breaks for these residents.
Yeah, so this is one of those storm drains that we were talking about. As you can see, it's still full of debris right now. And as he was saying in the story, once these drains and these pipes fill up, there's nowhere else for the water to go, and it fills up these streets, causing issues for everyone who works and lives around here. Ken, back to you.
Yeah, Bo, thanks for that explainer. We appreciate the visuals out there. It really helps to paint the picture of the problem that they're facing. Appreciate you.